Looks like Joe's doing cooking segments now.
Well, not exactly cooking segments, but I have been using the stove and an old cake pan. What I'm doing is I'm stripping paint from some door hardware. I'm refinishing this door, and the hinges, as you can see, the hinges and the latch plate were painted this sort of medium tone green, and I want to strip it off and get down to, these are all solid brass, so I thought it'd be nice to get down to the solid brass. So what I did is I took a cup of white vinegar and a cup of water, and I heated it up in a pan on the stove. Then I took it and I poured it into this old cake pan. And I just let it set for, it's only been in there maybe 5 minutes or so.
But vinegar strong enough? You don't really have to use like paint thinner or paint stripper?
You'd be surprised. First of all, it's a lot cheaper and lot less toxic. But also, vinegar is an incredibly strong acid, and it can be used to remove paint from a lot of surfaces. But here, like I said, it's only been in there 5 minutes or so. And it's a good idea to use pliers because it's still a little warm. But I mean, this I'm using a soft bristle brass brush because it won't. Isn't that amazing? Because it won't scratch it. You can also try using an old toothbrush, but I mean, you can see how it gets it out of. You can clean off your brush every now and then.
Yeah, if it's that easy, that's a lot better than going out and buying new hinges.
Not only that, it's cheaper, and if I couldn't match the exact size hinge, I'd have to recut the mortises. So I'd much prefer to do it this way.